Hello students, welcome to Easy Maths channel by Rajeshwari. Today we will study how to find the value of sine, cos and tan ratio for 30-degree angle and sine, cos, tan ratio for 60-degree angle, and how to find the value of their multiplicative inverses for 30-degree and 60-degree. So let us start. Are you ready with your notebook and pen? Yes? Then let's start solving. First you draw an equilateral triangle with a side 2a. You can take a also, but for ease of calculation, we have taken 2a. In equilateral triangle, each and every angle is 60 degree, you know very well. Now, construct a perpendicular bisector. It is median also for equilateral triangle. It divides the side into two equal parts and it divides this angle also into two equal parts. So, this median is angle bisector also. So, the perpendicular bisector for this side and angle bisector for this side. Okay, so this is the median. Now you name the triangle A, B, C, D, or whichever letter you like, you can name it with that. And this angle is 90 degree because this is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector divides this side into two equal parts and the angle formed at that point is 90 degree angle. Okay. Now, if it divides this side into two equal parts, then this total length is 2a. So, half will be a. Okay. So, we got a triangle here, this half triangle with angle 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay. So, for 30 degree, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. Opposite to 90 degree is always hypotenuse. You remember that and you write it down first of all. Ki opposite to 90 is always hypotenuse. Okay, you can consider this triangle or this triangle. Both are equal with equal measurements. So, I am considering this one. So, I have written here opposite to 90 as hypotenuse. Always opposite to 90 degree angle the side AB. Or you remember just the side opposite to 90 degree is always hypotenuse. You first write it to avoid confusion. Then other two sides will be adjacent and opposite. For this angle, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. For 60 degree, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. It depends which angle we will consider. Okay. So first of all, we will apply Pythagoras theorem and we will find out the value, length of AD. Okay. So let us apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equals to sum of squares of other two sides. So hypotenuse square means 2a whole square is equals to. Give bracket here because here 2 and a both are there. So you can't write separately. You can't write without bracket. Otherwise it will be the square only for a. Then BD is a square plus AD we don't know, we are calculating. Then 2a square. 2 square is 4 and a square will be a square. This square holds for both. 2 square will be 4, a square will be a square. Then this a square plus ad square. Now 4a square. This a square will go this side. It will become minus a square is equals to ad square. Now I will write ad square first. Then here no number means 1. So 4a square minus 1a square will be 3a square. So AD will be equal to square root of 3a square So I can write it as root 3 into root a square by separating. Okay. So square root cancel. So AD is equals to root 3 into a. This is the value of this perpendicular side AD, that is root 3a. So this will be root 3a. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate the values of the sine ratio, cos and tan 30 degree. So sine 30 degree is equals to, so we are considering this angle, 30 degree angle, this angle. Okay. Sine 30 degree, opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite is BD upon hypotenuse is AB. So BD is A, hypotenuse is 2A. Here nothing is there means 1. So AA cancel, we got 1 by 2. Sine 30 value is 1 by 2. Cos 30 degree. Cos is the ratio of adjacent side to hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent side of 30 degree? This AD. AD upon hypotenuse is AB. So AD is root 3 into A upon hypotenuse is 2A. So AA cancel, we got root 3 by 2. Fine. Now tan 30 degree will be opposite upon adjacent. Opposite side of 30 degree is BD. BD opposite to 30 is BD upon adjacent to 30 is AD. So we got it as BD is A, AD is root 3 into A. Here nothing is there means 1. A cancel, we got 1 by root 3. Okay. So like this, sine 30 degree value is half, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. What about the reciprocal ratios? Means multiplicative inverses. Sine multiplicative inverse is cosec 30 will be 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means 2. Okay, because cosec is nothing but 1 by sine 30. So 1 by cos 30 degree will be sec 30. That is equal to reciprocal 2 by root 3. Okay. And cot 1 by tan 30 will be cot 30 degree. That is, what will be cot 30 degree? Reciprocal of this 1 by root 3 is root 3 by 1 means root 3. No need to write upon 1. So like this we calculated the values of sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot 30 degree. Fine. Now we will calculate the value of 60 degree ratios. Okay. Means all the ratios for angle 60 degree. Means sine 60 degree, cos 60 degree, tan 60 degree, cosec 60 degree, sec 60 degree and tan 60 degree. Sine 60 opposite upon hypotenuse, 60 opposite side. Here is 60 degree angle, opposite is root 3a. Root 3 into a upon hypotenuse is 2a. A cancel, we got root 3 by 2. And cos 60 degree adjacent. 60 degree adjacent is this. Okay. 60 degree angle adjacent is this. Adjacent upon hypotenuse. A upon 2a. Here nothing means 1. A cancel. We got 1 by 2. Tan 60 opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is this and this is adjacent. Root 3a upon a. A cancel. We got root 3. Now these are the multiplicative inverses. Cosec 60 You just take the reciprocal 2 by root 3. Sec 60 reciprocal of cos 2 by 1 means 2. And tan 60 root 3 by 1 is there na here. So root 3 reciprocal will be 1 by root 3. Like this you have to calculate the values of all the ratios for 30 degree and 60 degree. I hope you understood very well. Practice it. It is very easy. You have to just draw an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all three angles are 60-60. If you draw a angle bisector, it divides the side into two equal parts. So length of the side we have taken 2a. So it will be AA. Then using Pythagoras theorem, you find the length of this AD. Then simply use the formulas, ratios of sine, cos. You will get the answer. Okay. Now we will find the values of all the ratios for 45-degree angle. As this is a 45-degree angle, which type of triangle do we need? Yes, we need isosceles right triangle. Very good. We need a isosceles right triangle because let us draw the triangle. Then you will understand in right angle triangle, if two sides are equal, both the perpendicular sides are equal. Then suppose I will take this side as A, this side also as A. If both these sides are equal, then angles opposite to them will be also equal. So each angle is 45 degree. And how to find the hypotenuse? Opposite to 90 degree is always hypotenuse. How to find it? Yes, by Pythagoras theorem, isn't it? We have to find this hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem. So let us use Pythagoras theorem. For that you name the triangle ABC, suppose. So AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square we have to find. AB square is A square plus BC also A. So BC square means A square. So AC square will be equals to A square plus A square. You will get 2A square. So AC will be is equals to square root of 2A square. Again write it separately. Root 2 into root A square. So square root cancel. You will get AC value as root 2 into A. So hypotenuse value we got as root 2 into A. Okay, now simply we have to use the ratio and find. So you can consider any triangle, opposite and adjacent sides are equal. So you can consider any angle here. Okay, either you consider this angle or you consider that. No problem in that. Okay, let me see this one. So sine 45 degree will be opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite is A upon hypotenuse is root 2 into A. Here nothing means 1. A cancel, you got 1 by root 2. Okay. Now cos 45 degree is equals to adjacent 45 degree adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is A, hypotenuse is also is root 2A. So here nothing means 1. A cancel, you will get 1 by root 2. Equal. Sine 45 and cos 45 values are equal. For 45 degrees, sine and cos ratios are equal. And then is tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree. Opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is A. Adjacent is also A. So A cancel. You get 1. Tan 45 degree angle is 1. Now what you have to do? Yes. Multiplicative inverses. Cosec 45 degree. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So 1 by root 2 is there na sine. So this will become root 2 by 1. Root 2 by 1 means root 2. And sec is the reciprocal of cos. So 1 by root 2 cos 45 is 1 by root 2. It will become root 2 by 1 means root 2. Okay. Now cot 45, reciprocal of 1 is 1. So tan 45 and cot 45 are 1. In this way you have to find the values of all the ratios for 45-degree angle. I hope you understood. You watch one more time this video for better understanding. If any doubt, comment me. Thank you all of you. Bye bye.